Yeah, I'm new here. This is actually my first live session.
Oh, good.
I just started with you.
What did you think? Is it too crazy for you?
No, I'm loving it.
Okay,
So
good.
it's like you said, it's like drinking through a fire hose and I'm spilling most of it, right?
Yep.
So I finished up course 2 earlier this week.
Good.
And I came up with an idea as I want to try the raise your hand.
Yep.
With property managements. I'm a painting contractor as well.
Yep.
And so I want to reach out to property managements, but I'm trying to figure out how to establish the connection.
Yeah.
If I don't have any connections, I'm trying to come up with something.
Yeah, you and I are connected because I work with all of our multifamily, contact. What city are you in?
I'm up in Fort Collins, Colorado.
Okay, and what's your territory? Is it Fort Collins, Colorado, or is it all over?
Yeah, Fort Collins, Loveland, Greeley, Windsor, like that kind of whole circle up here.
Perfect. You and I are connected because I'm in charge of all the multifamily operations in northern Colorado. Right? Oh, well, we don't work with you. Makes no difference to me. It's my job to support you guys, whether you're doing business with us or not. Right? Okay. You're in.
Yeah.
But it's just way stronger than, hey, I wanted to call you because, we work with da-da-da-da and I wanted to see if we can save you on your painting. Right? It's painting, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
So here's something, one of the things that's happening that every multifamily operator is having to deal with right now is the fact that they cannot afford to have a unit sitting there empty. Rents have been flat and in some cases have gone down, and we don't have, a complete backlog of people waiting to move into a unit. So it's imperative when we do have a new resident coming on board, by the way, the word that they use in that industry is turn, that we get that unit turned very, very quickly. What I wanted to make sure you were aware of is most multifamily operators, if you have, let's just call it, north of 200 units, which you do, typically that paint work is done in-house. What they don't realize, though, is there's ways that we can set up backstops. There's ways that we can come in there to where if your team is overworked, if you don't have the ability to do it, if it's too big of a job, or you simply aren't able to get it done on time to turn that unit, I wanted to raise my hand, make sure that I'm out here. We are here to step in and make sure that that unit is looking great. And oftentimes, because this is our core competency and all we do, and we're not like one of your amazing maintenance people that is not only painting, but fixing drips, making sure the toilet's running, making sure the drip pans are replaced, we're able to get the painting aspect of the job done in less time and less money than it costs to have your in-house person, just because they have to take more time because that's not their core competency, and they end up using more materials, again, because it's not their core competency. And I'm not trying to say this to, say anything bad about your maintenance team. It's just that they have to do everything there, the property. This is all we do, and by nature, we're able to do that, a little bit more skillfully and cost effectively. I just want to make sure you are aware of that. But most importantly, if you're ever waiting on units to turn, that is top line revenue, or worse, a potential resident that ends up going someplace else because they weren't able to get into that apartment. Sometimes even 2 or 3 days can be all the difference in the world. How are you guys dealing with that, by the way? Right? And then you're in there. Yep. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.